Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to add video in Picsart. So let's begin. First of all, open your Picsart application. So now, as you can see, there's a plus button on this middle icon. So tap on this to create a new project or to add the video. So as you can see, there's the video option on the top. Select this video option on the top. Now you can add your videos from your gallery or add other videos, sample videos right here. So select the videos that you want to add, tap and press and hold onto it. So select them and at last tap on this next button here. So you'll enter this editing platform so you can edit the videos and you are ready to get going. So this is how you add your videos in Picsart. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.